Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a super healthy fried rice made with brown rice and barley, which is absolutely nutritious to eat and delicious as well. So let's get started. How do we make the fried rice round? Let's start preparing the vegetables and the meat that I'm going to use to make this fried rice. Alright, let's begin. Cooking now. In my hot wok, I'm going to add oil. Once the oil heats up, I'm going to add garlic. Once the garlic leaves its aroma, I'm going to add the vegetables. I'm going to make a well in between and add my chicken. I'm using a chicken breast, which will cook immediately. And as you can see, I've cut it into very thin slices. I'm going to cook this now with the vegetable and get back. Once it's cooked, I'm going to add my rice, my brown rice and barley mix. Which is my rice and barley. Both of them are together. Mix. That's my stale barley and brown rice. Next, I'm going to now season it with 2 teaspoons of dark soy, Next I'm going to add is 1 nice teaspoon of garlic powder. I like a lot of garlic. I'm using garlic powder. And finally, I'm going to season it with chicken seasoning. Not too much. Make sure that you add just enough how much salt you would eat, because it's very salty. Okay, that's about 1 teaspoon, and now I'm going to mix it well. Here you go, it's all mixed well now. Next, what I'm going to do is take off this rice from the flame and start making my eggs. Okay. What I've done is, in my pan, I've taken a little bit of oil. Now once this oil heats up, I'm going to then add my eggs. And I'm going to make a scrambled egg out of this. So my eggs are almost ready. I'm going to take it off the flame now and put my rice back. Then add my eggs inside this. And mix it well. So here you go. My fried rice is ready. Very healthy and nutritious, because it does not have, it does not have white rice, it has brown rice. Plus it also has barley, which is boiled. Alright then, thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try this at home as well. If you like my recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget the bell icon, and remember to like the video and to share the video as well. Thank you so much for watching. Finally, I'm just going to now, at last, sprinkle my green onions on top for garnishing.